clothes from A to Z. A is for apron. B is for boots. C is for cap. D is for dress. E is for evening gown. F is for fedora. G is for gloves. H is for hoodie. I is for infinity scarf. J is for jacket. K is for kimono. L is for leggings. M is for mittens. N is for nightgown. O is for overcoat. P is for pajamas. Q is for quilted jacket. R is for raincoat. S is for sweater. T is for t-shirt. U is for uniform. V is for vest. W is for wig. X is for extra long scarf. Y is for yoga pants. Z is for zipper jacket. Bye-bye, kids! Thanks for watching ABC GROK. Please subscribe, like, and share my video.